Hey gamers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to play the legendary Road Rash in 2025 with a simple few steps. Let's jump right into it.
Way up we go. Been up and down that road. Way up, oh no. We gon' burn the whole house down.
First, check the link in the description below. Click on it to download the RAR file. Once the download is complete, you will have a RAR file containing all the games. Next, you will need a program to extract the file. I recommend using WinRAR or any similar software. If you don't have it, you can download WinRAR from its official website. Right-click on the RAR file and select Extract here. This will create a folder containing all the game files. Now, open the extracted folder and double-click the game file to launch Road Rash. You're all set to start playing. Your goal is simple: win the races, knock your rivals off their bikes, and avoid the cops. Use the money you can earn to upgrade your bike and stay ahead of the competition. Pro tip: you can focus on upgrading your bike early to gain an advantage in tougher races. And that's it! You're now ready to experience Road Rash like it's the 90s all over again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Road Rash moments in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.